When trading online through Questrade's website or mobile apps, you get $0 commission trading on all Canadian and US listed stocks and exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs. This means whether you are buying or selling individual equities or index funds that are officially listed on any recognized stock exchange in Canada or the United States, you will not pay commission fees on those online trades. This zero commission pricing structure automatically applies to all self-directed accounts on the platform, including standard cash accounts, TFSAs, RSPs, and corporate or joint accounts, with no minimum account balance or minimum deposit required to qualify. However, it is important to note what is excluded from this structure. Assets that do not qualify for $0 commissions include international stocks that are not listed in the US or Canada, mutual funds, bonds, GICs, and precious metals. Additionally, while standard online stock and ETF trades are free, other transactions like options contracts, currency conversions, or margin borrowing may still carry separate fees. But for standard Canadian and US equities and ETFs placed online, the trading commission is completely zero. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.